Hello babes and welcome to a new hair video. New year, new hair. You guys already know, like, how could I even have the same hair color for more than a month? It's not possible in my life. I know that a lot of you guys actually really like this shade, although I've tried to wash out the color as best that I can, and now it's like green. You guys know that I am most into like warm shades, and I really like when it's really neon, and this is like just, I don't know, I feel like it's a little dull. Honestly, it's a nice color, but I'm me and I need a change. I am so excited because we are going to try out something completely new. So many of you guys have said all my YouTube career that why are you bleaching your hair when you can only use a hair color remover? So I asked you guys on Instagram, should I buy this or should I buy this? And you guys said that I should buy this. This is the Color B4 hair color remover. You guys have already told me that this blue-green hair is really hard to remove, but I mean, I've been through worse. I really like how they look. This is, oh, this is so sweetened. Blue and yellow. Yeah, I don't know. I'm actually going to read this through because I've never used it and I'm kind of scared. It should be applied in dry hair. It shrinks, it shrinks, please, the color molecules. These two products are for when washing out the hair color remover. Oh, so many of you guys have already said to me that this smells like rotten egg. And I can tell you guys that it did. And now let's shake it. Let's just try and put it everywhere, pretty much. Oh, this is like super watery. This is weird. I've seen so many on YouTube that has actually used this and it worked perfectly. So I'm kind of intrigued if this will work on me. My hair has been doing so well lately. So I really hope that this doesn't fuck it up again. It's been so soft and nice. By the way, you guys, I know I have been talking about this in every video, but yesterday, me and Jonas actually got to go and see the new apartment. So freaking cool, and I'm so excited to live there. It was actually the guy that lives there now that asked us if we wanted to go and see it, because he wanted to see if we wanted to keep some of the furniture and also like a dishwasher and things like that. It's so like modern and newly built. Even though I really like the old houses, I think I like it more. I live in a very old house right now, but that one is super modern, which is kind of nice actually. Everything works, nothing's like broken or gross. You guys already know, obviously, also that I am planning on adopting a dog. And I go into these different shelter like websites, organizations, like twice a day, more maybe even, and I'm looking at cute doggies and I am so in love with one of them right now. I don't know if I should show you guys. I could insert a picture right here. Obviously, I want to move in first and really make it a home before I take in a dog. This is something that I'm taking super seriously, just putting it out there, as I know some people don't really see it that way with dogs and pets. We shall see. I'm really excited about it. This is like the biggest thing that I'm ever going to do in my life, I think. Adopt a dog. Honestly, my goal in life is to be Jenna. I just want a bunch of dogs and I just want to stay in my house and live my life, you know. Okay, I think I have put this all over now. I can't really see a difference, which kind of scares me. Okay, there we go. How cute am I? So I guess that we shall see each other in about 1 hour. It has been 54 minutes. And I'm thinking I'm gonna go into the shower and wash this all off now. But first, let's see if it has even done anything. Let's hope I haven't peeked. Ooh. Okay. Wait a second. Wait, what? This is like blonde. As I had a split dye before, this has turned like a pale greenish blonde. I think this one was the purple side, right? How does the back look? I have no idea. Wow, okay, I'm actually really impressed by this. Okay, so I am heading into the shower. It feels like it hurts my hands, I don't know why. And I'm gonna wash it off and use the buffer and then the conditioner. And then I will be right back. I just came out of the shower and I am so shocked. Some of these parts are like, honestly, blonde. I'm so impressed with this. The little buffer cream that you got, that you should use in the shower. I saw when I used it that a lot of the color actually came out. So I used that like 3 times to really get out the most of it. The difference is insane, I think. And I don't even know what to do right now because I did not think that this would come out this well. You guys saw how dark a blue-green my hair was. So I am going to wait a few days and after that I will try the bleach from Arctic Fox. But I will of course film that for you guys, so don't you worry. By the way, my hair feels still so nice. Not at all like when I have bleached my hair. So this feels so good for my hair. If you guys are ever intrigued about trying the color before on your permanent or semi-permanent hair color, then I would recommend this for sure. It wasn't that expensive. It is cruelty-free. I haven't found anything about it being vegan. So that is it for me. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel if you guys have not already. And yeah, I hope that we will see each other in the next video, and be sure to check out the next video if you want to see the full hair transformation. And also, I haven't picked the hair color yet, so you guys will have to help me with that. Have a great day. Love you guys, and bye.